Today I've got a rather nice looking rock candy Nintendo Switch controller. Now this came to me in the box, which is marked as faulty, but there's no indication of what the fault actually is. So let's get the box open, let's take a look and let's see what's wrong with it. Let's just get it out of this plastic shell. It's quite a small controller, I have to say. I think it's smaller than the official controllers, but it does look very nice in the pineapple pop colour. And we can see straight away there, it looks as though the X button is actually stuck down. So I think we'll have to take a look at that. It looks like there's places to put vibration motors in this controller, which is a bit odd that they're there but not used. But anyway, let's get it open and let's take a look inside. With the obvious screws out, there is one more screw that needs to be removed, and it's under here beneath this sticker. So I'm just going to take this off camera now. I'm going to use a razor blade and some IPA just to gently lift this sticker up, because I'd prefer not to damage it if possible, given the overall look of the controller. So I'm just going to go and do that and see if I can get this up and get that screw out, and then we'll come back when the controller's open. Right, so I've managed to get this sticker up there. I'll just lift it up and you can see the screws now being removed. So now I can take the back off the controller and have a look inside. So with all the screws out, the back should just lift off now. There we go. And now if we just turn this piece over, we can see, looks like a fairly standard design. It's similar to some of the other PDP controllers I've looked at. And again you can see those sections there on the inside where the rumble motors would be, so I'm wondering if they use the same moulds for the shells for perhaps their Xbox One controllers that they do. I know they do a similar range. But it's interesting to see them in there because it looks like there's points on the board as well to solder them onto. Anyway, let's put this to one side now and take a look at this stuck button. Let's just check if there's anything like sticky or kind of residue if someone spilt something. See if that's why the button's stuck, but it doesn't. It seems to have gone in just fine now. That's a bit odd. As far as I can tell, that seems to be going in properly now. It looked like it just came out of position somehow. Yeah, that's really odd. Never seen that before. But it does seem fine now. I'll just refit the back of the shell now just to see if that's definitely done it. And yeah, look, it seems fine now. That's really strange, but time to get it back together now then, I guess. Ugh, sticky fingers. Need to get the IPA to clean that up, I think. So it's all back together now, and if we just take a look at that button again, you can see, yeah, look, it looks perfectly fine now. It's really strange. I can't say I've ever seen that before. So it's been a bit of a boring video, but certainly I've never seen a button come out of its place like that before. So I don't know, maybe that could help someone. If your controller's got a similar issue, it could be such a simple fix. And it is a shame sometimes to see these controllers being left on the scrap heap when actually the fix is sometimes really simple. So I hope you liked this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you'll stick around for the next one.